Hello everyone. Today I came on the Instagram because I want to request you all to please pray for the people who are fighting on borders for our safety, and for the people who are living in J&K, Rajasthan, Gujarat, I mean every part of the country, because nobody is safe, right? And I've seen people commenting on the government that government is just holding the meetings and doing nothing. So it's my humble request, जहाँ तक भी ये वीडियो पहुँचती है, I mean it's my humble request to all of you that please stop criticizing the government, because I know and you also know that our government is doing its best. So just trust the government and please pray for the peace. Let's go with the positivity. Thank you.